Hello students, welcome back to our virtual classrooms. In my previous class, I have discussed on the unit 1 of our runaway kite. To recap, for the sake of continuity, in an isolated island, Big Half Moon, there lived a family, father, brother Claude and sister Philippa. But how they got back their long lost relations, this thing has been narrated in this story by the girl narrator Philippa. In the first unit, we have known about what their father was, where did they live, when did they go back to mainland, when did they return to their own island, and they loved their island very much. And what did they play, how did they spend their joyful days. And the unit 1 ends with a suspense. Claude and Philippa noticed that people in the mainland had relations, but they didn't have. They could not understand why they didn't have any relations. So, being puzzled, they asked their father about the reason. And their father reacted. He sorrowfully repented that because of him, it was his fault only that they have lost their relations. Little Claude and Philippa couldn't understand what their father meant, but they felt sorry that their question made their father sad. The unit 1 ends here. We will do the exercises first. Hope you have already done. Let me check. The keeper of the Big Half Moon lighthouse is, the answer will be father. The family moved over to the mainland in, the answer will be winter. When asked about relations, father looked, the answer will be sorrowful. Then you have a chart to fill with information from the text. This is also very easy. Name of the island, Big Half Moon. Age of Claude, 12 years. The game played by Claude and the narrator. The name of the game is Pirate Caves. Come to the third. You have to state whether the following statements are true or false with supporting statements. Number 1, people felt that Claude and the narrator were lonesome. This is very true. In the page 37, in the first, second, third, fourth paragraph, first 2 lines, that people always pitied us when the time came for us to return. They said we must be so lonesome over there. Keep this portion within the brackets, and this is the supporting statement of the first statement. Then second, Claude and the narrator never quarreled. That is the false statement. Where is the supporting statement? It is in the last line. It is the last line of the page 37. That is, keep this sentence within brackets. Claude and I never quarreled. Come to the third. Nobody on the mainland had relations. This is a false statement. Come to page 39. Page 39, second line. Everybody on the mainland had relations. This is the supporting statement. So we have completed with the comprehension exercise given in your text. Now let us come to unit 2. It is always lovely on the Big Half Moon in summer. We know that in winter the sea gets frozen. So they get back to the mainland. And when spring comes, they return to their dear island. And in summer, the climate is pleasant. So what does lovely mean here? Lovely means here pleasant, pleasing. When it is fine, it refers to the climate. When the day is fine, the harbor is blue and calm. The harbor is blue, the water of the sea, it is azure blue, and it is calm, it is not turbulent. With the little wind, a breeze, a mild breeze blowing, mridu batash boiche, and ripples. Ripples means small little waves created on the surface of the water. জলের ওপর ওঠা ছোট ছোট ঢেউকে বলে ripples. তাহলে যেদিন মৃদু বাতাস বয়, ঝোড়ো বাতাস বয় না, যে সেদিন সমুদ্র আকাশ পরিষ্কার থাকে, দ্য ডে ইজ সানি, সেদিন সমুদ্রের রংটা কেমন হবে? নীল, বিকজ দ্য স্কাই হ্যাজ বিন রিফ্লেক্টেড ইন দ্য সি। আকাশের রংটাই তো প্রতিফলিত হচ্ছে সমুদ্রে, তাই দ্য সি ইজ কাম, দ্য সি ইজ ব্লু, ইট ইজ ফুল অফ রিপলস অ্যান্ড আ ব্রিজ ব্লোজ ইন দ্য lovely summer days. Every summer we had some underline hobby. You know the meaning of hobby? Hobby is an activity done in one's leisure. অবসর সময়ে যে কাজ মানুষ আনন্দের জন্য করে তাকে বলে হবি। Every summer we had some hobby. The last summer, before Dick and Mimi came, underline this line. Question will come, when did Mimi and Dick come? The answer will be, Mimi and Dick came after the last summer. We were crazy. You know the meaning of crazy? Very enthusiastic. মানে পাগল হয়ে যাওয়া, অতি উৎসাহ আমাদের। কি ব্যাপারে? About kites. ঘুড়ি নিয়ে আমাদের ভীষণ উদ্দীপনা হলো একবার। A boy on the mainland, one of our playmates in the mainland, showed, মানে taught, শেখালো, Claude how to make them. Here them refers to the kites. মেনল্যান্ডের একটি ছেলে ক্লডকে ঘুড়ি বানাতে শিখিয়েছিল। Many of you can make kites, I am sure. You need some paper, you need some sticks, you need some thread, you need some glue, and you can make kites. Back on the island, when we came back to island, we made plenty of kites. So many kites. Claude made, and I also, Philippa also helped him. Claude would go around to the other side of the island and we would play, underline, shipwrecked mariners. In the first unit, we have come across a name of a game, that is Pirate Caves. I have explained in my last class. And there is another game, shipwrecked mariners. You know the meaning of shipwrecked? People suffering after the sinking of a ship. একটা জাহাজ ডুবির পর মানুষের যে প্যাসেঞ্জাররা ডুবে যায়, দুর্দশাগ্রস্ত হয়, সেই লোকগুলোকে বলে শিপরেক্ট। ম্যারিনার্স, ম্যারিনার্স মানে কি বলে? সেইলার্স। জাহাজ ডুবির পর নাবিক নাবিক খেলতাম আমরা। কি করে? সিগন্যালিং টু ইচ আদার উইথ কাইটস। You have, I think all of you have watched the movie Titanic. When any ship faces any danger, it bursts some crackers or flies some flags or kites in order to give a signal that we are in distress, save our ship, SOS code, we know that. So we used to play shipwrecked mariners and signaling with our kites, the kites we have made all by ourselves. We had a kite that was big. We made a big kite and covered with lovely red paper. MCQ will come from this section. We made the kite with lovely red paper. We pasted. The meaning of pasted is glued. আঠা দিয়ে আটকে দেওয়া। Gold, tinsel. You know the meaning of tinsel? Tinsel is a shiny strip of metal. রাংতা যাকে বলে, চকচক করে। রাংতা দিয়ে সাজিয়েছি। আর কি করেছি? টিনসেল স্টার্স, রাংতা দিয়ে বানানো তারার মতো stickers we pasted on our kite over it and had written our names full on it. We have made the kite with lovely red paper. We pasted shiny tinsel stars on it and we also wrote our names, full names on the kite. What is Claude's full name? Claude's full name is Claude Litt and Philippa Litt. Big Half Moon Lighthouse. So not only our name, we also have written our address in the kite. There is a lovely picture in your text. There is the picture of a lighthouse and a seashore and a big red kite flying in the sky. One day, there was a grand wind for kite flying. In order to fly a kite, you need a favorable wind. If there is no wind, if the day is not windy, the kite won't fly. So it was a great day. It was a windy day. It was good for kite flying. I am not sure how it happened. Means I don't know how, but as I was bringing the kite from the house, Philippa was bringing the kite out of their house in order to fly it, because it was a windy day. It was a great day for kite flying. So she was bringing the kite from the house. She doesn't know how. I tripped. Underline tripped. The meaning of tripped is tumbled. হোঁচট খাওয়া. কি করে আমি হোঁচট খেলাম and fell over the rocks. পড়ে গেলাম. My elbow, what is the meaning of elbow? This portion, konun, went clear through the kite. After falling down on the rocks, my elbow went clear through the kite. আমার কনুইয়ের খোঁচা লাগলো সেই কাগজের ঘুড়িতে. Making a big hole. ঘুড়িটায় একটা এত বড় ফুটো হয়ে গেল. We had to hurry to fix the kite. তাড়াতাড়ি we have to repair it. সারাতে হবে, তালি দিতে হবে. কেন? If we wanted to send it up, যদি ঘুড়ি ওড়াতে চাই, before the wind fell, if the wind stops blowing, we cannot fly the kite anymore. So we were in a hurry to patch it up. We rushed into the lighthouse to get some paper. We ran to our lighthouse in order to get a piece of paper to patch our kite with. We knew there was no more red paper. We have used the whole stock of red paper to make this kite, so there was no red paper left for patching. So what did we do? We took, underline, the first thing that came handy. What is the meaning of handy? Handy means readily available. হাতের কাছে. হাতের কাছে আমরা একটা কাগজ পেলাম. কি? Underline, an old letter lying on the bookcase. It was an old letter and it was lying on the bookcase. Bookcaseর ওপর, বইয়ের তাকের ওপর একটা পুরনো চিঠি পড়েছিল. In the sitting room, বসার ঘরে. We patched the kite with the letter. ওই চিঠিটা নিয়ে, ওই পুরনো চিঠিটা হাতের কাছেই ছিল, তাড়াতাড়ি ওটা নিয়ে we patched, আমরা ঘুড়িটায় তাপ্পি দিলাম, ছেঁড়াটাকে রিপেয়ার করলাম. A sheet on each side, ঘুড়িটার দুদিকেই প্যাচটা করলাম. And dried it by the fire. We did not have much time to dry it naturally. স্বাভাবিক সময় দিয়ে এটাকে আঠাটা শুকোনোর সময় নেই, সেই জন্য আমরা with the help of fire, একটু আগুনের সাহায্য নিয়ে গরম দিয়ে ওটাকে শুকিয়ে নিলাম. We started out. We came out of our lighthouse. And up went the kite like a bird. And as it was a windy day, our kite went up like a bird. The wind was glorious. It was a very favorable wind and our kite flew up, soared up like a bird. And it soared up. What is the meaning of soared? Soared means rose high in the air. উঁচুতে উড়ে গেল ঘুড়িটা. All at once, abruptly, snap. It was sharp cracking sound or movement. Abruptly, it was cut. The thread with which the kite has been attached to, it was snapped. And there was Claude, standing with a bit of cord in his hand, looking foolish. Claude could not understand how did this happen. How did this happen? He was standing with a piece of cord in his hand and the kite got snapped and our kite had sailed away over to the mainland. our kite was sailing across the sea and it was approaching the mainland. Claude stood up foolishly with a bit of cord in his hand and the kite got snapped and it was flying to the mainland. So we have completed the second unit of the text. Go through the text thoroughly, carefully, and in our next session we will do with the comprehension exercises and the next part of the text. Have a good day.